Welcome to another episode of JWorks. In this episode, we will be preparing the car for a new underbody coating. This is the final part of preparing the actual chassis. The coming episodes will be about rebuilding the engine. Stay tuned for those and enjoy this one.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
The car has been masked off. I've already removed some small surface rust spots with a wire wheel off camera, but I won't bore you guys with that. Let's apply the coating and finish up the car. Since it was raining a lot and the humidity was very high, it took a while to dry. Let's take a look at the results. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks really good for a car that's almost 30 years old. This episode concludes the chassis part of this story. All the episodes you've seen on this car so far, has been pretty doable for me since I've been doing this work for the past 10 years. From now on, things will get very complicated very fast. Working on engines is something I have never done before, let alone building a turbocharged engine and spending stupid amounts of money on a project that might not even work out in the end. I've even quit my second job, which gave me a lot of financial freedom, just to be able to spend more time on this project. I guess sometimes you have to take a chance and make sacrifices to get the things you really want. We'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching and see you later.